there's a friend of mine who encountered an ugly situation. At a point, he met someone who offered to engage him in a voluntary job. He began to volunteer with this guy and was getting some stipend just to get by. His mental health began to deteriorate as a result of prolonged depression arising from the problems, vicissitudes of life. He wasn't registered with the GP because he had no knowledge of how to go about it. His mood started getting bad and he became very reclusive. On one occasion, when he was going to do the voluntary jobs, he got to the zebra crossing and didn't look to see if a car was approaching. He had an accident. He was knocked down by a car and the driver ran away. The knock left him on the ground for a long time, and it was in winter. He developed brain injuries as a result of the accident and stayed in the hospital for a very long time. And passed away. For young people in this country who are faced with a situation where they have no recourse to public fund, it can be very challenging when they leave college because they're not able to go to higher education. They cannot progress to university because they have no recourse to public fund. That period of stagnation could have an effect in their mental and emotional and psychological well-being. The whole idea behind this story is for the government to change the rules relating to non-recourse to public fund. People are really struggling to get by after staying in the country for a very long time without papers and legal status.